Hello, today we will guide you through how to add audio from a video in Adobe Express. In this walkthrough, we'll keep things simple and focused so you can follow along easily. If you're new to Adobe Express, don't worry. These steps are beginner friendly. We'll work inside a sample project so you can practice safely without affecting any of your existing designs, and the same approach applies when you're ready to work with your own files. Start by opening Adobe Express in your browser. Once the workspace loads, you'll see your dashboard with recent projects and templates. From here, open the sample project. This is a ready-made canvas that includes a timeline area and a preview, which makes it perfect for testing audio placement and timing. Using a sample project also helps you focus on the workflow without getting distracted by layout or design choices. With the project open, look toward the top left area of the screen. You're aiming for the settings control, typically represented by a small gear icon. If your browser window is narrow, the gear may be tucked into a toolbar, so maximize the window if you don't see it immediately. The settings panel is where you can adjust project-level options and quickly access content controls that affect your media. Click the settings icon to open the panel. It should slide out or appear as a dialog, depending on your layout. Take a moment to note the sections available. Keeping your project organized here helps ensure the audio you add lands in the right place on the timeline and uses the correct canvas settings. In the search field within the panel, enter Sample Audio. Searching is the fastest way to locate built-in audio options for testing. If you plan to work with audio that originated from your own video, you can use this same approach later. First, extract the audio track from your video, then locate it through your media browser or upload panel. For now, the sample audio will let you confirm placement, duration, and overall volume without hunting for files. When the sample audio appears in the results, click it to add it to your project. You'll see it appear on the timeline beneath your visuals. Use the play preview to confirm that the timing aligns with your scene. If the audio is louder than expected, you can adjust its level directly from the clip controls in the interface. This quick check helps you avoid distortion and keeps narration or music from overpowering your visuals. That's all there is to it. You've opened Adobe Express, worked inside a sample project, navigated to settings, searched for sample audio, and added it to your timeline. Thanks for following along.